Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, children. So let's continue with our class, right? So in the previous class we have learned about national flag, the description of tricolors, uniquences and all, right? So the difference, the flag indicates the three colors indicate what. So in the previous class I have told you, right? So let's see once again. So, saffron represents selfishness and sacrifices. White color represents indicates truth, peace and purity. Green symbol indicates faith, fertility and prosperity. It is a symbol of abundant the agriculture and industries. Okay, the wheel, that reflection of the wheel is the reflection of the wheel engraved in Ashoka pillar of Saranath, right? So जो wheel है फ्लैग में वो कौन सी चीज से लिया गया है? वो अशोक का पिलर में जो wheel है, देखिए जो एनग्रेव करा हुआ है, तराशा गया है, उससे प्रभावित ये wheel लिया गया है. Okay, the wheel of Ashoka is also the image of constant movements of progress. Okay, so rules of national flag. The rules of national flag. The flag should not be dirty or torn. जो national flag है उसे dirty भी नहीं करना चाहिए और ना उसे फाड़ना चाहिए. While hosting, the saffron color should be displayed at the top. जब हम hosting करते हैं flag की तो सबसे पहला कलर क्या दिखना चाहिए हमें? Saffron. Should not host any other flag to the height of the national flag. और दूसरे flags को हमारे national flag के height से ज़्यादा raise नहीं करना चाहिए. Should not be raised till the tip of the pole and hosted. ज़्यादा एकदम पूरा पोल की तरफ लेके जाके भी होस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. Always flag should be hosted after sunrise and remove the flag before sunset and keep it folded. कब करना चाहिए हमें flag hosting? After sunrise. और remove कब करना चाहिए? Before sunset. Okay? Should host the flag to half of its height during the national morning. While walking, the flag to be held in right hand. जब हम चलते हैं फ्लैग लेके तो हमारे लिए फ्लैग कौन से हाथ में लेना चाहिए? राइट हैंड में. The flag should not touch the ground at any moment. और फ्लैग नीचे नहीं गिरना चाहिए. Okay? The plastic flag should not be used. We should not use the plastic flags. Okay? So, our national emblem. Observe our national emblem once. Just listen carefully that we are observing our national emblem. Okay, it is just the true version of base portion of the Ashoka pillar at Saranath. Okay, it just look like a Ashoka pillar's portion. Okay, the base, at its base, as lions are there, you can see the three lions. That is the national emblem I told you in the previous classes, right? This is called the lion base. Okay, so the base of Saranath and our national emblem are imprint. It is the origin sculpture. 4 lions are standing on a platform. But you can see here 3 lions, right? But there are 4 lions in the sculptures, okay? In our national emblem, imprint, the original sculptures has 4 lions are standing on the platform facing 4 directions with backs facing each other. Their base is round in a shape. There is a wheel in all the 4 directions. Between the wheels there are images of elephants, bull, horse and lion. हम जो photos emblem पे देखते हैं वो 3 हैं. We can see only 3, but original जो emblem है वो 4 lions का है. और हर lion के पीछे ऐसा एक wheel है और wheels के बाजू आजू दूसरे animals को engrave किया गया है, जैसे elephant, bull, horse and lion. Okay, so this is the national emblem, the details and the prescriptions of the national emblem that we have learned today, the rules that we have to follow while hosting the national flag and our national emblem. What are the, you can say, versions of the base and all. Okay, so let's continue in the next class. Take care and Allah Hafiz.